we are seeing a nice quiet end to your Saturday. It was a bit of a different story this afternoon. We started off the day already on a warm note, saw a hot afternoon, a couple of showers and thunderstorms rolled through the area, but for right now, we are seeing some quiet weather. We're looking at 77 degrees here in Myrtle Beach. That humidity really high, up to about 82%. Those dew points bumped up into the 70s this afternoon, and you definitely felt that extra moisture hanging out throughout the region. No rain going on, just mostly clear skies and a couple of scattered clouds. Temperatures across the board, everybody is in the 70s. 73 for Conway, 74 out, or 73 also for Marion, 76 for Conway, and for Cheraw, they're looking at 73 degrees, 78 out towards Laurinburg. Now tomorrow, the actual air temperature will be a bit cooler. We'll only be in the 80s across the board. Some of that is actually below average for this time of year. Normally, we're topping out at 90 degrees for Florence, and they're only going to be at 88. That being said, with Claudette moving closer to our region, that heat and humidity, that's bumping up, so it'll still be feeling pretty humid out there and still feeling a bit uncomfortable. So we're taking a look at that tropical outlook. You can see this is what's left over of what was Tropical Storm Claudette, now down to a tropical depression. What that means is that max wind speed that it's holding on to right now, that's gone down to 30 miles per hour, still moving to the northeast at about 14 miles per hour. So it was a tropical storm earlier when it made landfall on the Louisiana coast, caused a lot of flooding down in portions of Florida, Mississippi, Alabama, and Louisiana. But we're not done yet, so it's going to continue to move closer to our area. By early tomorrow morning, kind of sitting over Georgia, right near Atlanta, still just as a depression. However, as it moves closer to our area, it's actually going to start to intensify once again. It's going to go back up to a depression, and then eventually could go back up to a tropical storm as it moves closer to the east coast. There's some very warm sea surface temperatures right along the coast, and Claudette's going to kind of tap into that before it moves back out to sea and then off to the east coast and back off to the north and to the east. So we do actually have some severe thunderstorm watches, warnings. We have a tornado watch for parts of Alabama, Georgia, and Florida. Closer to home, we're dealing with some tropical storm watches just off the coast, also small craft advisories. As this system moves closer tomorrow and overnight into Monday, we're going to be seeing some pretty rough water conditions, waves upwards of 5 to 8 feet, also some pretty strong wind gusts. As far as our severe weather outlook, still seeing that marginal risk across our area, so we are seeing the potential for some pretty strong wind gusts as well as the chance for some isolated tornadoes, only about a 2% chance. Starting off tomorrow, cloudy, chance for some quick little drizzle out there, and as we head through the afternoon, that's when we're seeing that chance for some thunderstorms. Mostly heavy rain, that's going to be late Sunday into overnight early Monday. So as we look forward to next week, things do start to quiet down. The good news is Claudette will be in and out of here very quickly. So the second half of your Monday already starting to clear out. Next week we start to level out with those temperatures, and we'll start to see a bit more sunshine out there, but we settle back into that stormy pattern where we start off the day with some sunshine, and then by the afternoon and evening, you see a couple of scattered storms pop up.
Typical summer stuff around here, right?
Yes.
Okay. Good to hear that Claudette's not going to be too much of a pain for us.
She's going to be in and out relatively quickly, but we could be seeing some risk for some flooding and things like that. So definitely stay up to date with us.
Stay up to date tomorrow. All right, Brittany, thanks so much.